Good afternoon. With Newsline Weather, I'm Brett.mov. Well, as I mentioned earlier, it looks as though Mother Nature is preparing to serve up another lovely winter week for us here in Westman. Currently in the Wheat City, we're sitting at minus 14 degrees under a mainly sunny sky, but things are only going to get better from here on in. Winds are from the west at 7 kilometers an hour, and the relative humidity is 85%. Looking to the evening, expect a temperature of minus 11 degrees. The winds will shift, coming from the east at 15 kilometers an hour, and the relative humidity will remain at 85% with a 10% chance of precipitation. Overnight, the temperature will drop only a degree for the overnight low of minus 12 degrees. The winds will be blowing from the north at 20 kilometers an hour with a 20% chance that we'll see some snowfall. As you can see, taking a look at our radar image, there's not a lot of activity to report in our area, hence the relatively low probabilities of precipitation over the next few days. Switching to the satellite animation now, as you can see, there's some activity to the north and west of us, but doesn't appear to be making its way south and east, so our skies for the most part will be a mix of sun and cloud. Taking a look at our 3-day forecast, tomorrow expect a high of minus 2 and a low of minus 12. The skies will be mainly cloudy, featuring sunny breaks, while the winds will be from the north at 10 kilometers an hour. And there's a 30% chance of some scattered flurries. On Thursday, we'll have some cloudy periods with a high of minus 1 and a low of minus 8. Winds will be from the southeast at 15 kilometers an hour, and there's an increased 40% chance we see scattered flurries. And Friday will feature a mix of sun and cloud, and we can expect to see a high of 0 degrees with a low of minus 9. The winds will be from the north at 25 kilometers an hour, and there's a 40% chance we will again see scattered flurries, but they shouldn't result in more than 1 centimeter of precipitation. Taking a look around the region now, in Winnipeg it's minus 11, in Portage it's minus 13, Dauphin is minus 12, in Neepawa and Carberry it's minus 16, in Killarney it's minus 14, Minnedosa's in at minus 14, and Virden rounds us out at minus 13 degrees. Seasonal norms for this time of year are a high of minus 5 and a low of minus 15 degrees. So after today, our temperatures will be a fair bit above normal for the rest of the week. Our record high for this date was set back in 1988, the birth year of this handsome weatherman, when it was a steamy 7.2 degrees, and the record low was established in 1962 at a downright nasty minus 41.7 degrees. Once again here in Brandon, we're sitting at minus 14 degrees under a mainly sunny sky with a relative humidity of 85%. That's it for weather, but stay tuned. Carla's up next with Newsline Sports.